how to access your hidden apps on your OnePlus phone. And let's go ahead and get started. So let's just say you did set up your hidden apps, you hide them away, and you set it up using the access code. So if you created your access code, and I assume you did remember your access code, to view your hidden apps, you'll now go into the dialer app, this one right here. And once you go into it, you'll go ahead and input your access code like this here. So whatever your access code was, you're going to start with your pound, the numbers, and then that pound or hashtag. All right. So let me just show you this from the start. So let's just say you are in your dialer app and you go here, you'll put in that access code. You'll start with this and put in the numbers that you inserted. It's going to be different, not what you see here. And once you put in that last hashtag or pound key, this is where you can view your hidden apps. And of course, once you do this here, you can go into the apps that you've hidden away and or go into the add app and add some more apps like inside.